everybody. So today we are going to IKEA again. Last time we couldn't finish our work there, and on our way we have stopped for Tim Hortons tea. So we are at IKEA now, and just when I walked onto the upper floor, I saw this setup with bookshelves and colorful book displays. Being a weekend, it's pretty crowded here today. It's always best to come on a weekday, that also in the daytime morning hours. And this side is all bookcases, bookshelves. And this is apparently a new section here, or these things are new here actually. And their stuffed toys also are much sought after. You have turtle, you have whales, dolphins, octopus. This is a very popular Lego container, and it has a Lego board also on the top. end of my upper level tour to IKEA, and this right across the kids section is the cafeteria, and it's jam packed as you can see. And I'm using the stairs to go to the lower level, and this is the kitchen area which I had visited earlier, and I have to pick up a couple of things from here, and then that's the end of my IKEA tour. And this is the warehouse from where we have to pick up our items all by ourselves. Everywhere here is self-service, right? So we have to lift up all these heavy boxes, we have to take them home and assemble all these items by ourselves. So it's not like India where everything is assembled and delivered to your home on a rickshaw or a truck and you just pay for the delivery charges. IKEA also delivers, but they charge easily around $100 per delivery, no matter how small or big the item is. And these are the disadvantages of living in North America and doing everything by yourself. And I miss the labor facilities, services available to us in India. But that's life here in Canada. Anyway, so IKEA is known for its sustainable furniture and is making more and more environmental friendly products. So one of the things here in IKEA you will find is a circular hub. A circular hub is basically a place where you will find second-hand furniture, or actually it's a place where some of the furniture has been opened by the customers but not liked by them. I'm not really going inside, so they sell that furniture for a lower price. And now I'm in the billing section. They don't have bubble wrap here, but there is a self-service station again to wrap up your glass items or breakable items with paper. So again, everything has to be done by you yourself. Okay guys, so we are now in the car and in the basement parking actually. That's why there is dim lighting. Hubby dear has got these veg hot dogs. These are for $1 each. Okay, so now we are headed to Bed Bath and Beyond, another store, and because it's continuously raining, so it calls for another cup of tea, right? So again we stopped over at Tim Hortons and steep tea it is. If you are an Indian, you would know how much we love our chai. So now we are heading to Home Sense, and that should be our last stop for today. So Home Sense is an Indian brand and you can see a lot of Indian stuff here. The same way we decorate our homes, the same decor items. with the Indian touch you can find here as well. It's so nice to see an Indian brand over here. And here is the book section. Yes, HomeSense also has a book section. They have some interesting journals also. This is Meera Lee Patel's journal, and I love her journals. I have two of them already with me, and this one looks amazing as well. But this is $9.99, so a little pricey, I would say, but it's also hardbound. My kids and my husband are waiting in the car for me, so I have to hurry. Okay, I just got clearance from hubby that kids are doing okay in the car, so I can take a little more time here and explore, shop around. Complete store. So you find kitchen items, you find bath items, you find items for your living room, your bedroom, rugs, furniture, decor, everything under one roof. And now I'm in the queue for the billing section. You can see, oh my god, it's a huge queue. Okay, so HomeSense work is done. I got this membership card. I have to activate it, and you get this for free. The benefits of this card at HomeSense is not that you get any points here, but the return period gets extended to 30 days. Otherwise, if you are not a member at HomeSense, then you have only 10 days to return your items, return or exchange. And this card is also valid at Winners and Marshalls, so grab this one. And also members get an early view or preview of their sales and all the new stuff that they have in the store. Okay, now I'm heading to Dollar Tree. I had just flashed this idea to my husband and he agreed. So here I am at Dollar Tree now. I found something very interesting here. These are rocks with a keyword on it. They have a particular name actually, I'm forgetting it. And look at this. These are such cute and convenient prayer boxes with a little notepad and a pen. So Dollar Tree work is done and thankfully rain has stopped. So now we are heading out for dinner. Okay, so now we are heading to an Indian restaurant for dinner. It's called Rajdhani. It has a few branches in Brampton, Mississauga, and probably Toronto, actually Etobicoke. So we are craving for some yummy Indian food. Of course, we do prepare Indian food at home also, but we are craving for that restaurant style Indian food. So maybe it will be thali, or they also have chole bhature and lots of other Indian food items. So let's go. And also they are vegetarian, so they only serve vegetarian food, and their food is really very good quality, reasonable prices, so good sitting arrangement also. In most of their restaurants it's spacious as well, but being weekend we don't know yet, so we are going to see over there. If it's crowded, then we'll do a takeaway, and if they are relatively empty, then we might sit inside and dine in. So let's see. So we are now going to Rajdhani in Mississauga. Okay, so my son changed his mind. He doesn't want to have Indian food anymore, so we have come to Burger King and we'll grab a burger for him and then we will head to Rajdhani. Okay, our burgers are here, and or actually my son's burgers are here. And now the weather is again becoming a little unfavorable. It's becoming very windy now. Almost around 40 km/h is the speed of the wind here right now. We just saw a dustbin, a huge trash bin, flying off because it was so windy. So we are just crossing our fingers that we reach safely and we also return home safely. Okay, so this is the thali from Rajdhani. Okay, so we just had a very heavy, very oily, heavy thali. Now with Rajdhani thalis, you can choose different types of, vegetables. So you can choose from chole, rajma, paneer, and lots of other vegetables, and naan and roti and stuff. So their thali is actually very heavy, and I enjoyed it more because earlier I used to find their thalis to be a little bit like their dishes used to be a little bit on the sweet side, and now it tasted just like the Delhi dhabas, restaurants, and reminded us of the Delhi food. So do try it out if you are anywhere in Mississauga, Brampton, Toronto, or nearby areas. And also, thankfully the wind has slowed down, so it's all going fine for now, and within I guess 15-20 minutes we'll be home. Okay, very quickly, some of the things that I got from Home Sense, IKEA. I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm looking for actually a kitchen towel badly. Didn't find any at Walmart and all these days. So I just picked that one. It looked very pretty. Now this one is a spoon rest I got from Home Sense. It's for $6.99. I think I can get a cheaper version at Dollarama for $4 or $5. So I might try that. Then this one is a syrup dispenser, which I think I will use for honey. It's very, very smooth, very easy to hold, and very nice looking as well. So I picked this one from Home Sense. And I picked up a few journals also from Home Sense. Oh my god, I'm so excited about these. Probably I'll show them in detail in another video. So the price and everything I'll discuss some other time. Then this is, so I got these two tea coffee mugs, you can say, from IKEA. I really liked their cute size. They are actually the best size for my morning cup of warm water, which I take with honey and lemon. So this is the precise purpose for which I got these. Simple design, very handy, and these are $2.99 each. Yeah, and I also got this flower vase from Dollar Tree. I love the design. It's very cute, simple, nice, and every item in the Dollar Tree is $1.50. Earlier it used to be $1.25, but for last many months it's $1.50. So these two items are from Dollar Tree. Okay, I also got this Mrs. Meyer's dish soap from Bed Bath and Beyond. This is for $6.99, but I got 25% less on this, so it came out to be around $5.50 something. And Mrs. Meyer's products are supposed to be natural, environmentally clean, and they're very good for your home. So this is something I picked up, and this is lemon verbena scent. And then I got these Irish coffee mugs from Bed Bath and Beyond, and I got them for a really good deal actually. These I believe are for $5 some cents, five and a half, $6 maybe each. And I have seen so many Irish coffee mugs in Walmart and several other places, but either they were too bulky or they were in a set of 6 or something. So these were individually being sold, and I really like that they are simply designed, very simple, neat, and very light to carry.